The surface area of a cylinder is equals to 150.72 square centimeter plus 56.52 square centimeter is equals to 207.24 square centimeter. This is mathematics 6 measurement, visualizing surface area of solid figures. And welcome to my channel. This is Maestro05DX, and don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on all my videos. And for our objectives, there are three. The first one is to visualize and describe the surface area and name the unit of measure used for measuring area of solid or space figures. B. Derive a formula for finding the surface area of a cube, prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. And the last one is to find the surface area of cubes, prism, pyramids, cylinder, cones, and sphere. And for our preparatory activity, of course, there are three. We have the daily routine, the drill. Okay, for our drill, name the following figures. Okay, this is the first figure. What is this? This is a square. How about this one? This is a rectangle. This one, it is a cube. This one, this is a triangular prism. And this is a cylinder. And the last one, it is a rectangular prism. Okay, for our review. Okay, so name the formula of the following figures. So we have what is how to get the area of this. So this is equals to length times width. How about this one? How to get the area? So this is equal to, area is equals to S times S or S squared. This one, this is a circle. How to get the area of a circle? This is equals to pi multiplied by r times r or pi r squared. This one, how to get the area of the triangle? So this is equals to 1/2 times base times height. And this one, of course, this is also equal to 1/2 base height. Okay, next. Given the following dimension, what is the figure, form, and the area of the following? Okay, so we have number one is the side is equal to 4 centimeter. So what is the figure? Yes, this is a square or cube. And the area is equals to 16 square centimeter. How about this one? The radius is 2 centimeter. This is a, yes, this is a circle. And the area is equals to 12.56 square centimeter. This one, the length is 8 and the width is 4. What is the figure form? So this is a rectangle, which is equals to, the area is 32 square centimeter. The base is 4 centimeter and the height is 6 centimeter. What is the figure formed? This is a triangle. And the area is equals to 12 square centimeter. This one, the length is 6, the height is 5 centimeter, and the width is 3 centimeter. What is the figure form? Yes, this is a rectangular prism. And the area is equals to 18 square centimeter. Just multiply the length and the width. Okay, so this time let us proceed to our main lesson. So, how to get the surface area? Okay, look at the figure below. What is it? So, this is a rectangular prism with its dimension. 8 centimeter long is the length. The width is 4 centimeter and the height is 3 centimeter. So, how many sides or faces does the box have? How many? So, there are, you can count. So, there are 6 faces. What is the shape of the bottom and the top faces of the box? So, it is a rectangular or rectangle. Okay. And what is the shape of the other sides? The left side, the back, the right side, and the front of the box. They are all what? Rectangle. So that's why it is a rectangular prism. Now, we're going to solve for the surface area. One way to solve the surface area of a prism is to solve for the area of each face and then add them all. So the first one is the area of the left side, which is 4 centimeter times 3 centimeter, the length and the width. So that is equals to 12 square centimeter. And the right side, that is also 4 multiplied by 3, the length and the width, which is equals to 12 centimeter. And the area of the top, which is equals to 4 times 8, which is equals to 32 square centimeter. And the bottom is also 4 times 8, which is equal to 32 centimeter squared. And the area of the front side, which is the 3 times 8, which is equals to 24 square centimeter. And the back, which is 3 times 8, which is also equal to 24 square centimeter. So, the surface area of rectangular prism can be found as follows. So, we have the surface area is equals to the area of the left and the right sides plus the area of top and bottom plus the area of the front and back. And the area of the left and the right side is equals to that is 2 multiplied by 12 square centimeter plus, which is equals to 24 centimeter plus the area of the top, which is equal to 2 times 32. top and bottom. That's why it is 2 plus, which is equals to 64, 2 times 32, plus the area of front and back, which is 24. So that is multiplied by 2. So that is equals to 48 square centimeter. So let's add. So that is 24 centimeter square plus 64 square centimeter plus 48 square centimeter. So the surface area is equal to 136 square centimeter. So the total surface area of the box is 136 square centimeter. Again, the surface area of the box equals to 2 times quantity, the length and the width of the left and right side, and then 2 times the length and the width of the front, I mean the top side, and times the back side. So that's why that is 136 square centimeter. Okay, again, the surface area, that is the sum of the areas of the base or bases and the lateral faces of solid figure. And one way to find out the surface area of a solid figure is to find the area of its net. Now, the unit of measures of the surface area are as follows. So you have centimeter squared, feet square, and meter square or square meter, square feet or foot, or square centimeter, and other units. Okay, now let's try to find the uh, other way of how to find the surface area of the prism. Okay, so considering that we have this box again, getting the perimeter, of course, let's name this as ABC. As we all know that the perimeter, that is the measurement around the object. Okay, so that is equal to, the perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C plus D. Let's open it. So that is, this is it. And to get the lateral area of that, of course, we have to get the net. Okay, and this is the net of this box. So there are 6. So this is the side, and the side. This is either the top or the bottom, and then this is the bottom or the top. It's depend on how you open it and take the nets of it. So the lateral area is equals to the sum, the perimeter times the height, and the surface area is equals to the lateral area plus the area of the base. We have to multiply it by 2 is because of the top and the bottom. Okay, again, the surface area of a prism, that is equal to the lateral area of the prism, is the product of the perimeter of the base and the height, which is equals to, lateral area is equals to PH. So that is the perimeter multiplied by the height. And the surface area of the prism is the sum, again, as I've said, that is the sum of the lateral area of the two bases. So again, SA is equals to LA plus 2B, where B is equals to S times S or the L times W. It based on it is the area of the base. It depends on the figure. If it is rectangular, length times width. If it is square, that is S times S. Okay, so let me give you an example. So find the surface area of the triangular prism. Okay, so we have the triangular prism. So this is the measurement of this is equal to 6 centimeter, and the base is 8 centimeter, and the other side is equals to 10 centimeter, and the length is 12 centimeter, and the height of the triangle is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so since we are going to find the surface area, so the first step is to get the lateral area, and the lateral area is equals to perimeter times the height. Of course, we have to get the perimeter first of the triangle. So that is equals to 8 plus 6 plus 10. So that is the perimeter multiplied by its height or length, which is equals to 12 centimeter. So 8 plus 6 plus 10 is equals to 24 centimeter times 12 centimeter. So therefore, the lateral area is equals to 288 square centimeter. Next step, we have to get the surface area. And how to get the surface area? That is equals to the lateral area plus 2 times the area of the base. So that is equals to 200, the LA plus the formula of the triangle, that is 2 times 1/2 times base times height. Okay, let us substitute the LA, which is equals to 288 square centimeter plus 2 times quantity 1/2 times 8 times 4. So this is the height of the triangle, and the base is 8. So that is equals to 288 square centimeter plus 8 times 4 is equals to 32. And 2 divided by 2 is 2. 1, sorry. Again, 2 divided by 2 is 1 because 2 times 1 is 2, divided by 2 is 2, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that's why 8 times 4 is equals to 32, and 288 plus 32 is equal to 320 square centimeter. Again, the surface area of the triangular prism is equivalent to 320 square centimeter. Okay, so this time we're going to get the area of the cylinder. Okay, now considering we have this figure, we have this can. If we cut a label from a sardine can, we will see that the label is a rectangle. This one, if you're going to cut this will become a rectangle. Of course, this is the radius. Okay, so let us open it. And that will become the lateral area. That is, once we open the can. Okay, and now, if you're going to get the two bases or the two circular top and the bottom or the circle, that will become like this. So this time we take the surface area by getting the nets. So there are three. So this is the top, the bottom, and this is the rectangular form of a can when we cut this. Okay? And the rectangular form of a can, that is equal to 2 pi r. And that is equals to the lateral area because there is a height. Okay, this is the height. This is the height. That's why we have to multiply it by its height. And the area of the base is equals to pi r squared. So this is the area of a circle. This one. So since there are two, to get the surface area, that is equals to the LA plus 2 times the area of the base. Okay, now, to define the lateral area of a cylinder, that is the product of the circumference of the base and the height of the cylinder, which is equals to LA is equals to 2 pi RH. And the surface area of a cylinder, that is the sum of the lateral area and the surface areas, or I mean the areas of the two bases. Again, the surface area of a cylinder is the sum of the lateral area and the areas of two bases. To write that in a formula, so that is equals to SA is equals to 2 pi RH plus 2 multiplied by the area of the base. Okay, now, let me give you an example. Find the surface area of a can of milk. So, use pi is equals to 3.40. Now, this is a can. And the radius is equivalent to 3 centimeter. And the height is 8 centimeter. Okay, let's get first the lateral area. Okay, again, the lateral area is equals to 2 pi RH. And to substitute the value, that is 2 times 3.14 times 3 times 8, which is equals to 2 times 3.14 is equals to 6.28 times 8 times 3 is 24 square centimeter. And then, once you multiply 6.28 by 24 square centimeter, that will become 150.72 square centimeter. So, that is the lateral area. This time, let's get the surface area. Again, the surface area is equals to the lateral area plus 2 multiplied by the area of the base. Okay? So, let's substitute 2 pi RH is equals to 150.72 square centimeter plus we have to multiply it by 2 times the area of the base, and the formula is pi r squared. So that is multiplied by 2. So we have 2 pi RH. So 2 times 3.14 times 3 times 3. So bring it down, 150.72 square centimeter plus 6.28, that is the product of 2 and 3.14, and 3 times 3 is equals to 9 square centimeter. Bring down 150.72 square centimeter plus the product of 6.28 and 9, which is equals to 56.52 square centimeter, and then add the two. Okay, so the surface area is equals to 207.24 square centimeter. Okay, so this time is the surface area of the pyramid. Okay, take a look on this square pyramid. Now, if you're going to take the nets of this square pyramid, this will become like this. Okay, so there are 5 faces. Okay, and we call this as the lateral area. Okay, so we all know that the area of a triangle is equals to 1/2 base times height, and then since there are 4, so that will become 4 times quantity 1/2 times base height. Okay, to find the surface area, we need to find the lateral area and the area of the base, then add. So that is equals to LA plus the area of the base. Okay, to reiterate, the surface area of a pyramid is the sum of the area and the area of the base. I'm just reiterating. SA is equals to LA plus B so that you won't forget. Where B, since this is a square pyramid, so the area of the base is equal to S times S or S squared. Okay, let's have an example. Okay, find the surface area of the square pyramid. Okay, so this is square pyramid with the dimension of 15 meter is the height. So this is not the actual measurement. We didn't use this into actual. I'm just write the figure. And the 8 meter is the width. Okay, so first, we have to find the lateral area. And the lateral area is equals to 4 multiplied by the quantity 1/2 times base times height. Since they are all in a form of triangle. So that is equals to 4 times 1/2 times 8 times 15. And 4 times 1, we can cancel 4 and 2. So that will become 2. And then 8 times 15. So that is 2 times 8 times 15. And that is equals to 240 square meter. So that is the lateral area. Now, let's get the surface area, which is equals to SA is equals to LA plus B. Okay, so this is 240 square meter plus the area of the base. So that is 8 times 8. So since this is a square or a cube or a square pyramid, so that is equals to 240 square meter plus 8 times 8 is equals to 64 square meters. So 240 plus 64 is equals to 304 square meter. So that is the surface area of a square pyramid. Okay, next, let's get the surface area of cone. Okay, so let us use the net of this cone to help us to see how the formula for the surface area of a right cone is derived. So let's open it. Okay. So this is the net of the cone. So of course, this is of course the slant height, and this is the the circular area, and of course this is the circle. So which is equals to, that is the slant height, and of course the circumference is equals to uh 2 pi r. That is the circumference. Okay, so the surface area of a cone is the sum of the lateral area and the area of its base. Okay? So, how to get the lateral area? Okay, let's try to spread. Spread out the cone. Okay? So, you imagine, we cut the lateral area or the lateral surfaces into wedges, and we form a what? That is a parallelogram. Okay, this is a parallelogram. Okay, of course, uh, this portion is considered as the pi r. The pi r. And of course, this portion from here up to there, up to this area is the so-called as the slant height. So, the base of the new figure is pi r, and the height is the slant height of the curved surface. So, the lateral area is equals to the pi r s, or the pi multiplied by the radius times the slant height, plus of course the area of the base, which is equals to pi r squared. So again, the surface area, the formula is equals to the lateral area is equals to pi rs, or the slant height, multiplied by the area of the base, which is equals to pi r squared. So that is for the circle. Okay, let me give you an example. But before that, okay, now let's proceed. Find the surface area of the cone with a radius of 4 centimeter and a slant height of 6 centimeter. Again, we're going to use the value of pi as 3.14. Okay, so take a look at this cone. It has a radius of 4 centimeter and a slant height of 6 centimeter. Of course, we have to find first the lateral area. And the lateral area is equals to pi rs, and the value of pi is 3.14, and the radius is equal to 4 centimeter, and the slant height is equal to 6. So that is 3.14 times 4 times 6. So that is equals to 3.14 is equals to times 4 is 12.56 centimeter times 6 centimeter. So that is equals to 75.36 square centimeter. So that is the lateral area of a cone. Now, this time let us get the area of the base to be able to get the surface area. So let us include that so that we don't have a very long computation and so that it will not be tedious for you to get the surface area. So let's combine. So the lateral area plus the area of the base is equals to pi r s plus the pi r square. Okay, let's substitute. 75.36 square centimeter plus 3.14 times the 4 centimeter times the 4 centimeter, which is equals to, again, 75.36 square centimeter times, or plus rather, 3.14 is equals to 12.56 times another 4. So, copy again 75.36 and then add the product of 12.56 and 4 centimeter. So, that is equals to 50.24 square centimeter. So, therefore, the surface area is equals to 125.6 square centimeter. So that is the surface area of a cone. Okay, so this time, we are going to get the surface area of a sphere. Okay, so the surface area of a sphere or circle contains the center of the sphere, and that is pi r squared. So, if you will notice, it would take exactly 4 of these circles to wrap the sphere completely. Okay, take a look on this figure. Okay, so, of course, this is a circle, another circle. That's why it makes into a sphere, and this is the radius. Now, to apply this, so that is the surface area. Surface area is equals to 4 pi r squared. So very easy. Now, so this time let me give you a problem just to solve for the surface area. So find the surface area of basketball with a radius of 3 centimeter. So this is 3 centimeter. Only the radius is given to get the surface area. Okay? So that is equals to, again, to rewrite the formula, 4 pi r squared, and then equal to, bring down 4 multiply by the 3.14 multiply by the radius which is 3 centimeter, quantity raised to the second power, and then 4 times 3.14 is equals to 12.56 multiply by expound 3 centimeter raised to the quantity raised to the second power as 3 times 3. Bring down 12.56. And then 3 times 3 is equals to 9 square centimeter. And 12.56 multiplied by 9 is equal to 113.04 square centimeter. And that is the surface area of the sphere. Okay, considering that sphere is a ball. Okay? Hope you understand the lesson. And for our evaluation, okay, so you're going to choose the best answer, letters only. Okay, so the surface area of a cylinder is the sum of the lateral area and the areas of blank, base and top, C, height and top, B, the base and the height, and D, all of the above, which is the answer. And number 2, surface is the sum of the areas of the blank, or the surface area is the area of the left and the right, area of the front and back, area of the top and the bottom, all of the above. And the surface area of a pyramid is the sum of the lateral area and the area of the blank. Okay, A base, B front face, C side, and D diameter. And this is for number 4 and of course for number 5. Okay, so thank you for watching and hope you learned. And before we end up, let me shout out all my students who are watching this. So next time I will mention your name one at a time. Okay, thank you and mabuhay.